right here. We're gonna break it down for you. This move is called Agbaja, and it's a traditional dance in Ghana, but for the purposes of you understanding and getting it, we're gonna call it open up, open up. All right? Hey, so let's do it. Let's break it down right now. All right, so let's break down Agbaja dance, but for the purposes of you understanding, we're gonna call it open ups, okay? So you're opening up, but what's really key important is that you bring yourself level down, okay? You open up that core, open that core. So open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close. Look at my core. My core is moving. The whole time the core is moving. Open, 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 open. All right, and you're really moving, but you're down. So what I don't want you to do is just here. Bring it down and open, open, open. So now we're gonna do 4 on this leg, 4 on this leg. So we're here at top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it down, open up, open up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open up, open, open, open. Move that core. Move that core. Like that. Hey, 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 hey. For those who didn't get it, let's go slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull it. Open, 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 open. Last one. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna bring it together. 1 minute. 60 seconds for my advanced, 45 seconds for my intermediate, and 30 seconds for our beginners. Let's do it, let's do it. 1, 3, 2, stop. Hey, hey. Bring it up. Hey, hey, hey. Good. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hope you did well. Again, with this move, remember to open up, remember to use that core, and remember to bend down low. Don't press it down, open it up, open it up, open it up. All right, the traditional dance is Agbaja, but in order for you to understand, it's open up, open up, open up, open up. You could do it, you could do it. 1 minute, nonstop, you have 2 more rounds. Let's do it. Shout out to Ruva for our awesome bras. Ruva African Wear. We'll put the information in the description. But keep moving that Boombsey!